Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am playing Would You Rather again. Remember when the last time I played Would You Rather? Become the Batman. Obviously Superman. I did play this with Dalton once, but that video wasn't able to make it onto YouTube. Sadly. I did play this with Dalton once, sadly it didn't make it onto YouTube. Like this. Kind of probably would hurt your back. Superman's way cooler because he can fly. He's really cool. He's strong. And I hope I one day get to be like him. Well, except for the flying part because that would be kind of creepy. I can hear my family out there on the computer. I can hear it from out there. I can hear it from here. Okay, so we could just fly right to the top. I'm gonna quit. Oh, I'm a dodge. I'm a dodge. Okay. What the heck? Aw, I wanna be a cat. Aw. Too bad I'm a doge. Bark, bark, bark. I wanna be a cat. I want to be a cat. Okay. Hold on. Guys, I am so fast! Like you would think like fast would be so cool. I'm so fast! Okay. So I just lost my speed! Be famous. Be rich. I would be rich. Rich. I'm a rich person. I'm a rich person who would want to be something. Who is this? Who would want to be this? Anyways, who would want to be this? I'm still myself. I'm just wearing a hat and a necklace. Parrot, did you say that? I just read in the chat. Okay. My kitty ears were covered. My kitty ears were covered. Be sad. Obviously be happy. Who would want to be sad? Nice. Yeah, who would want to be sad? Let's type in the chat. Who would wanna be sad? Who would want to be sad? My probably son can't even catch up. My son can't catch up to me. Look at my face. I'm like so happy. My son can't keep up. Watch my neighbor, Toro. Watch your name, obviously. All the sad people chose, ew. Oh, there's me. There's me. That's me. I'm still going. Okay, that's me right there. That's me. I don't know who's me. But I'm this, like, person. But I don't know who is me. Where am I? I'm over there. I'm me. Me! Okay, I'm back to me. I'm gonna say you or me. Or me. You or me. You or me. The pals. I'm one of the pals. I think I am Alex. I think I'm Alex. This one of these people are Dennis Daly. Oh, I wish I was. What? I'm Alex. I'm Alex. I look like I'm Alex. I'm Alex. I'm Alex. You're Dennis. This person's Dennis. Okay. Wait, that's my old avatar, but with a happy, obvious. Okay, I'm gonna pick round. Points? I wish I had Robux, but I don't. Wee! 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 My son can't keep up. My son is completely away from me. It can't keep up. What if I stop? This time we'll catch up. If I stop. Now, wee! I'm like, my son can't keep up. Whoa. Oh my god. Instantly have. 1 or 2 of a chance I'm gonna have instantly. Ho ho ho. Well, these poor people didn't get any. These poor people didn't get any. But I'm still running around with my son. Oh, I'm back to normal. Before I ran out, I turned back to normal. Wait, I'm gonna do blurry eyes challenge. Be Sonic! I'm gonna be so fast! Ow! Watch me whip. Watch me whip. 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 Watch me, Nene. Watch me whip. Whip. Watch me, Nene. Watch me whip. Whip. Watch me, Nene. I'm so fast. I'm so fast. I'm so fast. I'm so fast. I'm as fast as a snake. I'm as fast as a cheetah. Okay, we're kind of smoking the ground. Imagine you had an option in between Carly and Sam. Who would you pick? Leave in the comments. Be rich. Obviously, I do not want to be that little sin over there. Okay. Who's that? Okay, I do not know who this is. I do not know who this is. Is that good? No! Brendan just said, is that good? No! That's what they said. That's what they did. You can see I'm so happy that I'm rich. I used to be rich on Roblox, but I spent it all on my game. Okay, I'm back to normal. You can see my normal face. Okay. This video is not going to be on too much longer, so be a traffic signal, be a cone. I'm going to be a traffic signal. I'm a traffic signal. I can stop people from going whenever they need to. Guys, make a line. I want traffic signal. But I look like a backpack. Guys, I think I'm going to end it off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!